Hey students, good morning. We're back with our online class and this is for our subject English and we are studying grammar part. ये सारा आपको grammar के notebook में आपको अलग से notebook put करनी है and you have to write this material in your grammar notebooks. All right. So let us start with our topic models. What are models? We have studied since very childhood, right, from 5th or 6th standard about models. So what are models? They are actually auxiliary. Auxiliary. What is auxiliary? Auxiliaries. They act as helpers. वो हमारे sentence में helpers के तौर पे काम करते हैं, right? So there are two types of auxiliaries. That is primary auxiliary and model auxiliary. So so our part, our focus will be on model auxiliaries. But I want to give you a short introduction of both the types. But what is primary auxiliary? They are actually helping verbs. वो सेंटेंस को सपोर्ट करते हैं. They come before main verb, right? Helping verb कहाँ आते हैं? Before main verb and they help support our sentence. So and they tell the tense of the sentence actually. So which are those? Am, is, are in present tense, was, were in past tense, have, has, had for perfect and do, does, did. They are revealed in interrogative and negative sentences. Next one is about models. Models describe the mood of the sentence, nature of the sentence, behavior in the sentence. Like अगर आपको बताना है, किसी को एडवाइस देनी है, परमिशन, पॉसिबिलिटी बतानी है, एबिलिटी बतानी है, तो ये सारी चीजें किसमें बताते हैं? मॉडल्स के थ्रू हम एक्सप्लेन अच्छे से कर सकते हैं. So which are the model auxiliaries? Can, could, may, might, must, should, would, shall, will, ought to, used to, need, dare, etc. So these are the model auxiliaries. Next up we have chart of the model auxiliaries. You have to write down as it is in your notebooks, right? So let's start. Can क्या बताएगा? Ability, capacity, power, permission, possibility in present tense. Which tense? Present tense में हमेशा can use होगा. क्या बताएगा? Ability. I can swim. So this is my ability. I can swim for 3 hours. So this is my capacity. Power. I can lift this box. So that is my power. You can go. So this is what? Permission. Possibility. You can. Sorry. It can rain today. So that is possibility. Next up we have could. Could क्या है? Could is the past tense of can. तो ये सारी चीजें ability, capacity, power, permission. This all will be used, but the tense will be past. Ability, capacity, power, permission in past means I could swim. I could swim for 2 hours. I could lift that box. I could go to Bombay if you would permit me. Right? So वो permission बता रहा है. वो सिर्फ tense कौन सा है? Past tense. Polite request. Could you please do that work for me? क्या आपको काम मेरे लिए करेंगे? तो ये एकदम कैसी request है? It was a polite request, so you can use could. Unfulfilled condition. If I were a bird, I could fly in the sky. So अगर मैं पंछी होता तो मैं आसमान में उड़ता, right? तो पंछी तो नहीं हो आप, तो you cannot fly, right? So this is a unfulfilled condition. मतलब ये ऐसी condition है जो कभी complete नहीं हो सकती. उसमें हम could use कर सकते हैं. May is for permission, possibility, probability, wish, purpose, curse. मतलब permission के लिए possibility, हाँ ये चीज हो सकती है, उसके लिए हम may use कर सकते हैं. Probability 50-50 chances होते हैं उसमें. Wish आपकी इच्छा, आपका कोई purpose या श्राप, curse. Like for example, may I come in ma'am? So आप पूछते हो ना, ऐसी permission लेते हो. So this is for permission. Possibility, it may rain today. So this is your आपका अनुमान लगाएगा. Probability, it may rain. वो भी probability भी वही हो जाती है. Wish, you may succeed in life. तुम बहुत तरक्की करो लाइफ में. So this is your wish. Curse, you may go to hell. So आप गुस्सा होते हो तो आप ऐसे कर्ज भी दे सकते हो ना. So that is what where we can use may. Then we have might. Might is for permission, for extreme polite or hesitation. मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा polite permission करनी है आपको तो वहाँ आप might use कर रहे हो. और if you are hesitating, आपको हिचकिचाहट हो रही है तो वहाँ आप possibility. And then we have purpose in past. I might have done a very good work for the poor. मैंने बहुत अच्छा काम किया होता poor लोगों के लिए. So this is your purpose in past. Should is we use now and often. Many times we use should. So should is for advice, duty, probability, expectation, condition and intention. Like advice, you should take medicines, you should seek a doctor, you should study. So these are all what suggestions or advice. और duty के लिए you should obey traffic rules. So this is your duty to obey the traffic rules. So उसमें आप should use कर रहे हो. Probability, you should go to doctor. इसमें भी आपकी मर्जी है जाना नहीं जाना. तो ये तो हमने बोल दिया आपको. So that is probability. Expectation, condition और intention इन सब में भी should use होता है. Must is for compulsion, strong possibility. You must go to doctor. So this is strong possibility कि तुमको जाना ही है. Compulsion, you must do your homework. So ये compulsion है आपके लिए. Command, you must bring me some food stuff. So this is a command. You must clean the floor. So this is a command. You must close the door. Command है. Necessity, you must help poor. So this is necessity of time. You must help poor. Logical interference, strong advice, obligation. You must follow the rules, or you must be in neat dress. So that is obligation from school, right? Must not, advice, obligation या prohibition. इसके लिए हम must not use करते हैं. जैसे कि you are obligating. You must not touch here. You must not do that work. You must not go there. So these are what? These are prohibitions. और जहाँ आपको मना किया जाता है वहाँ आप must not use करते हो. और जो चीज़ आपको बहुत फोकस के साथ बोली जाती है वहाँ आप must use करते हो. एडवाइस सजेशन के लिए आप should डाल रहे हो. might ठीक है, possibilities है और बहुत ऑफिशियली बोलना है तो might यूज कर रहे हो, राइट. may is for condition, possibility उन सब के लिए. could है आपका past दर्शाता है, could आपका, और can आपका present दर्शाता है. So further part I am going to continue after some time. Next up we have will. Will is used. Actually will का प्रयोग कब करेंगे? It denotes future, right? Future instructions देने के लिए हम will use कर रहे हैं. It is used for general instructions. You will run. So this is a general instruction, right? Polite request. You will have to come to the party. Possibility. It will rain. Invitation. So you will come to party. This is invitation also, right? Warning. Determination. Determination मतलब आपका दृढ़ विश्वास जो होता है कि I will become a doctor. So that is a determination, right? So these are some of the uses of will, and it is used with this. You have to keep in mind. It is used with you, he, she, it, they. Means you will, he will, she will, it will, they will. So इन सब के साथ हम will लगाते हैं, and which are remaining. I and we will be left, and with that we are using shall. So same uses are same, like will और shall के uses करीब same है, सिर्फ उसके आगे जो pronoun लग रहा है वो अलग होगा सिर्फ. Promise, command, threat, legal notices, and you can see जो will में आ रहा है वो यहाँ पे shall में भी आ सकते हैं. So promise कैसे? I shall bring you a nice gift on your birthday. So this is a promise, right? Command, I shall punish you. This is threat और command हो सकता है ये, ठीक है? And legal notices, if you violate this rule, you shall be fined. मतलब अगर आपने ये rule तोड़ा तो आपको fine किया जाएगा. So this is a legal notice, right? So with this we are using shall, and it is used with I and we pronouns. Like I shall go to the party tonight. So I के साथ shall लग रहा है, we के साथ भी shall लगेगा. We shall complete our work by tomorrow. So for general instructions also. Next up we have would. It is used in past. Would किसका past है? Will का past है would. intention, I would like to help the poor. So this is your intention. चाह है आपकी या अपने दूसरे wishes को या desires को बताने के लिए we are using would. And last but not the least, very important, ought to. It is used for showing moral obligation. जैसे आपके ऊपर जो आपकी morality होती है उसको बताने के लिए हम ought to use करते हैं. जैसे कि you ought to respect your parents. आपको अपने parents की respect करनी ही होगी. तो ये आपकी नैतिकता है. इट इज योर मोरालिटी टू रिस्पेक्ट योर पेरेंट्स, योर टीचर्स, टू सेव वाटर, सेव इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, और यू ऑट टू ओबे द ट्रैफिक रूल्स. सो दिस ऑल आर अंडर moral obligation, right? So therefore there you are using ought to. So let us have a quick revision, recap. Will, shall in future tense for showing general instructions, politeness, command, threat, determination, intentions, etc. would past में होता है और past में past happenings, past habits और polite request in present, intentions or any other wish. And ought to is used for moral obligation, right? So this was all for today. ये चार्ट अच्छे से आपको अपने कॉपी में नोट डाउन करना है. You have to note down the chart in your copy and your copy will be checked. This is a strict warning. Your copies are going to be checked. We will soon have a notice and we shall call you by your turn. जैसे आपके क्लास का टर्न होगा. And I hope you will complete all the work in time. The questions related to this will be provided through screen recorder, through PDFs. Okay? Thank you.